following message is transmitted at the request of the Shrewsbury Police Department. Within the last 4 hours, there has been 11 reports of car bomb explosions throughout the boroughs of Shrewsbury and Railroad. 2 fatalities have been reported, along with 7 injuries. The following actions should be taken to protect you and your family. Stay calm. Panicking will make this situation worse. Do not get into your vehicle at this time, for any reasons. Stay indoors, lock all windows and doors. Turn off heating and air conditioning, as hazardous smoke has been reported in a few explosions. Seal any cracks. Close all blinds and curtains. And stay tuned to news outlets, radio stations, and internet resources for further updates.